The thing I love about my job is solving real-world problems. Specifically, I get to solve them within finance, which is historically a risk-averse field for companies. MSL is about 20 years old, and over those 20 years it had been enhanced and added on to, which made it more complex. The uh-oh moment was when one of the development leads came to me a couple of years ago. He said, I think we have a problem with MSLs as it currently is architected. The data size and the growth that we see, based upon the hardware that was available, doesn't look like it's going to keep up. It was about how do I make sure that the system can meet the demands of today as well as meet the demands of tomorrow.